Visa gift card zip code, how to find. So if you want to find your Visa gift card zip code, right, maybe you bought or you have a Visa gift card, and whenever you're trying to use it on a certain checkout process of Walmart or Amazon, it asks you for a zip code. Now the thing you have to understand is that a Visa gift card typically does not have a specific zip code printed on it, because it functions like cash and is not tied to a particular address. Now, if you do need to enter a zip code when using it online, you should just use your own billing or mailing address zip code of your shipping address that you're trying to deliver the order to. So if it asks you, just in case, you simply enter your own zip code, and after that you should be able to use it. So I hope this video helped to clarify your explanation whether or not Visa zip code exists. The bottom line is they don't exist because it functions like cash, but if it asks you, then you have to enter your normal zip code of your own hometown. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.